The answer is both. In certain applications with varied room sizes, actually bringing far-field mics and separate optical solutions is optimal for the client. In certain environments, like behind me with the WCD, integrating for small huddle rooms and conference rooms, certainly it's ideal to put the camera and the audio into the product itself. So I would say from an Avocor perspective, it's really use dependent, and both options are a consideration we take when we develop the products for our customers.
They certainly do have them built in, but they're mostly made for one speaker speaking into it. So when you're having a meeting and you have a multitude of people, relying on that built-in speaker or microphone for that matter really is not a great solution. And we've learned this from experience, as most people have who use those solutions. It works reasonably well with a couple of people, but as the space gets bigger, it gets tougher and tougher. That's where better quality install applications are really the best way to go.
We actually recently completed a study which is very relevant. We questioned 400 professionals in the US, and 7 out of 10 people we spoke to said that virtual meeting rooms are extremely important to their organization. 96% people are dissatisfied with the meetings they're having, and 4 out of 5 of those dissatisfactions are about the audio. So yes, these products have cameras and speakers built in. Are they good enough for what people are doing? Obviously not.
With 75 years of experience and knowledge in audio, we are convinced that microphone is not redundant these days. Even though new technology can push the boundaries of what is possible in the meeting space, some years ago we would not have recommended putting a mic in the ceiling. With adaptive beamforming technology, like with Team Connect Ceiling 2, this is possible. But still, if there is a good pickup, you can make sure that the sound quality on the other end or in the room is great. And what you miss in the first place, you cannot process to sound right in the end.
Experience is king eventually, and it's all about how exactly and how accurate you get your audio and experience of the room to the maximum fullest potential. Because when you have a meeting with someone and you have just the video without the right audio, you basically have surveillance cameras. So audio is king, and the small nuances that accumulate with accurate audio experience with microphones and audio and speakers changes how fast you get to the point. That's the main reason that we have it. The same with scalers, the same with audio. It's quality of experience.